Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a time zone gift card. First, decide if you prefer purchasing online or visiting a physical location. Online is often faster, allowing you to send a digital card directly. If you choose a venue, simply approach the counter and request a gift card. They can load any desired amount onto a physical card for immediate use. To buy online, begin by visiting the official time zone website. Look for the gift cards or shop section, usually found in the main menu. Once there, you'll see various gift card designs and denominations. Select the amount you wish to load onto the card, perhaps $25 or $50, depending on your preference. After selecting the value, you can often personalize the gift card with a special message. This adds a thoughtful touch for the recipient. Next, accurately enter the email address where the digital gift card should be sent. Finally, proceed to the payment page, where you can securely complete your transaction using a credit card or other accepted payment options. Once your purchase is complete, the digital gift card will be sent almost instantly to the recipient's email address. They can then present this email at any time zone venue to redeem their credits for games and fun. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Enjoy giving the gift of entertainment.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.